Hello and welcome to my review on the FREDI Wi-Fi HD cameras. They are on Amazon I purchased these for $150. They are now going for $130. They're decent cameras. I had them set up and I took them down because I got a different set of cameras that were new. These are 1080p and it does not come with a hard drive. I had to install one myself. So let's get started. Oh, I'm sorry. These are the 720p kit. I apologize. I thought this was the 1080p. I have the 1080p ones on my system app that I have now. So what comes in the box? You get 4 cameras. You get all the cables for the cameras. As you can tell, I didn't put this back in there very well. You get your DVR, or in this case, it's called an MVR. It does have, for output, it has, here's your DVR. It has, for output, VGA, HDMI, and then it has Ethernet and a USB for backup. And then here's your power, and these are your Wi-Fi. And then here's your power, or here's your power, USB, Ethernet, HDMI, and VGA with your Wi-Fi antenna right here. Let's set this to the side. Comes with a remote. With the remote. These are the screws I used to hold it on the house. Let's set those over there. Sorry, my chair's squeaky. So let's pull out one of these cameras. Which one did I use last? This one. Okay, so those are all identical. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to set this over here. Alright, so these are your cameras right here. They're decent, they are nice. They have great quality video. 720p is pretty good. Oh, and they're night vision. And then on the back you have your screw to connect it to the brackets for mounting it. You have a Wi-Fi antenna, and then here's your cable. Sorry about that. It can accept PoE, or power over Ethernet, and it has a power adapter connection. On Amazon, and in the link, I'll put a link in the description. You can get 9-volt battery adapters for these, so that you don't have to run power to them. They do require power. Okay, so let's see what comes underneath this box. As you can see, I did not package this back together correctly, or very well for that matter. But what comes in the box are these adapters right here. These mount to the house using these 3 mounting holes, and then this mounting hole to mount it to the camera. And then also in the box you get your big Wi-Fi antennas for your DVR, and all your small antennas for all your cameras. Oh, and it comes with mounting screws. 1, 2, 3, and where's the 4th one? Oh, and it comes with caps. Where's the 4th camera? The 4th antenna. I did not put these back in here correctly. I do apologize. Uh-oh. There it is. Aha, it ran from my face. So, and then you get, here are your Wi-Fi antennas. For your NVR, and here's one for the camera. and then I'll show you what they look like on the cameras. So you install them like this. They literally just screw on, and you can adjust them how you want them, like that, and they're good. I will have a link in the video description for this product as well. So I purchased these cameras because I wanted a way to monitor my garage, because out in my garage I have a couple servers, and I purchased this kit, one, because its reviews were good. We needed some security for the garage, and overall this is a great kit. It is, again, the FREDI Wi-Fi HD 720p wireless cameras. Links will be in the description. I hope this video helps you. Their setup process is very easy. Let's set these off to the side. So the setup process is very easy. You plug in the DVR, you hook up your cameras, and they automatically sync together. You set your settings. It will notify you. You can set it for notifying you when there's motion. You can set it to where it only records when there's motion. You can set the area for that. And it'll also send you text messages when the DVR is full or when you have an alert. You can also view them from anywhere in the world. You can either set up your router to do that, or you can use the software that comes with the cameras. You can download them on any mobile phone, or you can view them from any laptop or computer. I hope this helped you, and if you would like to see more of these, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. I will reply to every comment. All right, we'll see you next time. Peace.